Unleash the power of smart riding with the FREEDARE e-bike. Designed to conquer any terrain and keep you connected, this bike is more than just a ride, it's your adventure companion. Equipped with a 750W BAFANG motor, peak 1000W, delivering 90 Nm of torque, the FREEDARE e-bike powers through all terrains, effortlessly tackling hills up to 30 degrees. Achieve speeds up to 28 miles per hour with throttle and pedal assist, and choose from 3 riding modes and 5 levels of pedal assist for the perfect ride. Feel the powerful output as you climb any hill with ease. The FREEDARE e-bike ensures no terrain is too tough for your journey. The 48V 20Ah large-capacity battery offers an impressive range of up to 100 miles on a single charge. With an intelligent BMS system ensuring battery safety and efficiency, you can travel carefree and focus on enjoying your ride. Stay connected and ride smarter with the FREEDARE Smart app. Equipped with 4G, GPS, and Bluetooth, the app allows for health and ride tracking, route planning, and ride logging. Enjoy enhanced security with features like self-detection, anti-theft positioning, and speed limit settings via different riding modes. Ride safely in any condition. The FREEDARE e-bike features a front light with a light-sensitive function and dual hydraulic disc brakes for reliable stopping power. Whether you're riding in the rain or descending rocky paths, you'll have the confidence to tackle any challenge. The high-strength adjustable suspension front fork provides a smooth and comfortable riding experience, absorbing shocks from stairs, rocky roads, and gravel slopes. Designed for accessibility, the reinforced 6061 aluminum step-through frame allows easy mounting and dismounting, even with items stored on the rear rack. With an ergonomic design for a straight-back riding posture, adjustable handlebars, and a comfortable seat, long rides have never felt so relaxing and enjoyable. Ride smart, ride free with the FREEDARE e-bike. Combining power, comfort, and cutting-edge technology, it's your ultimate companion for exploring new horizons. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting adventures and updates on the latest in electric biking.